Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to Ikram TV from the office. I found myself a nice seat to sit in, like almost made to order. So it was a foggy morning, not too bad, but the desert was foggy, and I knew that's gonna be a super sticky, icky day. So that's where we are, trying to. The time is now. I'm going to give you a quick panel about where I am. Hey guys. Right, so today in the desert I have these big massive birds flying around. You see them? No. Yeah. Okay, yeah. One just passed by. So these big massive birds, I don't know if they're legal. No. I don't know if they're eagles or what, because the hawks are not that big. Hawks are tiny creatures compared to the eagles. So these guys have been flying around, and I think they're trying to pick up the trash from the desert because stupid humans left it behind. All right. Oh, that's a burnt car right there. Well, it used to be a car. Yeah. The season is just starting, so that's a very good thing. We're just about there, but early morning temperatures are still fine. They're still fine even in the summer.